Most people eat sugar every single day without realizing what it's doing to their body. Now we're going to show you exactly what happens inside your organs when you stop eating sugar for 30 days. The results will surprise you. Every time you eat sugar, your pancreas releases insulin. Do this too often and your pancreas gets exhausted. It pumps out insulin to manage the blood sugar spike. Do this 10, 15, 20 times a day, and your pancreas starts to wear out. By day 1 without sugar, insulin production drops. By day 7, the pancreas gets its first real rest in years. By day 30, insulin sensitivity improves dramatically. Day 1, an overworked pancreas flooding the body with insulin. Day 7, the pancreas begins to recover, producing insulin more steadily. Day 30, a healthy pancreas maintaining stable blood sugar levels. The brain. Sugar hijacks your brain. It floods the reward center, the nucleus accumbens, with dopamine. It works just like addiction. From day 1 to day 3 without sugar, your brain fights back, headaches, irritability, and intense cravings. It's real withdrawal. Around day 10, dopamine receptors begin to reset. By day 30, your brain regains mental clarity, sharper focus, and a calmer mood, no longer depending on sugar to feel good.
Your liver is the sugar processing plant of your body. When you eat too much sugar, especially fructose, your liver converts the excess into fat. This is called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. And millions have it without knowing. Day 1 without sugar. The liver stops receiving the sugar flood. By day 14, fat accumulation begins. This is liver inflammation. But the process can reverse. By day 30, inflammation inside the liver measurably decreases.
Sugar feeds bad bacteria in your mouth and gut. In your mouth, bacteria eat the sugar and produce acid. This acid destroys the enamel on your teeth. Sugar also affects the bacteria in your gut. In your gut, excess sugar disrupts the microbiome, nourishing harmful bacteria and starving the good ones. After just 7 days without sugar, acid production in your mouth decreases significantly. On day 30, the gut microbiome begins to rebalance, leading to better digestion and less bloating. The beneficial bacteria increase, reducing discomfort and improving overall gut health. After 30 days without sugar, your cardiovascular health improves. Blood pressure drops, stabilizes. Your risk of type 2 diabetes plummets. Your brain, affected by sugar, finally begins to heal. Dopamine receptors regenerate. You stop needing sugar to feel good. Depression and anxiety often lift.
Neurotransmitters are balanced. Your teeth stop decaying. Your bones strengthen as your body stops leaching calcium.
You age slower. Sugar accelerates aging at a cellular level. Remove it, and your skin, hair, and joints visibly improve. Here's what most people don't realize. Sugar is more addictive than cocaine in lab studies. Your brain doesn't distinguish between a donut and a drug.
The same reward pathways light up. The same withdrawal symptoms appear. The same relapse patterns happen.
But there's hope. It only takes 3 weeks to break the addiction completely. Just 3 weeks. Sugar doesn't just sit in your bloodstream, it attacks every organ. Your pancreas produces insulin constantly, trying to manage the glucose spikes. Over time, your pancreas exhausts itself. This is how type 2 diabetes develops. Your liver converts excess sugar into fat and stores it. This causes fatty liver disease, something that used to only happen to alcoholics. Now it's happening to children. Your heart doesn't escape either. Sugar causes inflammation in your arteries. It hardens your blood vessels. It thickens your blood. Your risk of heart attack and stroke skyrockets. Your brain? Sugar literally shrinks your hippocampus, the part responsible for memory. Regular sugar consumers have smaller brains. Studies prove it. Your kidneys filter the excess glucose, but they weren't designed for the constant overload. Kidney disease follows. Your eyes suffer too. Sugar damages the blood vessels in your retinas. This is diabetic retinopathy, the leading cause of blindness in adults. Here's what kills most people slowly. chronic inflammation. Every gram of sugar triggers an inflammatory response. Your immune system treats it like an invader. Over time, this low-level inflammation becomes your baseline. It's why your joints ache. It's why your muscles are sore. It's why you feel old at 40. Remove sugar, and this inflammation stops within days. Your body finally gets a chance to repair. Swelling in your hands and feet disappears. Joint pain vanishes. People report feeling 10 years younger just from reducing inflammation. Your connective tissue strengthens. Athletes who quit sugar recover from injuries 40% faster. Why? Because your body isn't wasting energy fighting inflammation anymore. Sugar destroys your hormones silently. When you eat sugar, insulin spikes. This tells your body to store fat, not burn it. Even if you exercise, your hormones are working against you. Cortisol, your stress hormone, rises with sugar consumption. You're in a constant state of mild panic. Your sleep is disrupted. Leptin, the hormone that tells you to stop eating, and this is why you can eat an entire bag of candy and still want more. Your satiety signals are destroyed. Ghrelin, the hunger hormone, stays elevated. You're always hungry. Remove sugar, and these hormones recalibrate within 2 weeks. Leptin sensitivity returns. You feel full faster. You eat less without trying. For women, estrogen progesterone balance out. Hormonal acne disappears. PMS symptoms reduce. Mood swings stabilize. For men, testosterone production increases by 23% on average. This means more muscle, more energy, more confidence. Your brain has reward pathways. Normally, they activate when you accomplish something meaningful. Eat sugar, and these pathways flood with dopamine, the same chemical released by cocaine. Your brain says, "This is survival, do it again." But that's not all. Over time, if you consume too much sugar regularly, your pancreas gets exhausted. It produces insulin constantly, and at some point, your cells become insulin resistant. They no longer respond as well to that signal. It's like you're shouting at someone, but after a while, they can't hear you anymore. When insulin resistance sets in, glucose stays longer in your bloodstream. Your pancreas doubles its efforts, producing even more insulin. This is the beginning of pre-diabetes, then type 2 diabetes, and while this happens, your liver suffers too. Excess glucose transforms into fat. This is non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Your liver becomes fatty, its functions deteriorate, and it's a silent process. You feel nothing. In the short term, this glucose spike gives you quick energy, followed by a brutal crash. You feel tired, you're hungry again. It's an addictive cycle. In the long term, this constant metabolic stress ages your body. The chronic inflammation caused by sugar spikes damages your arteries.
Increases your risk of heart disease, affects your skin, you literally age faster. So, the conclusion? Your body can handle a little sugar occasionally, but regularly,
Sugar starts a cascade of reactions that take years to show up as visible health problems. Sugar isn't just empty calories. It's a metabolic drug that creates addiction.